The race is on. The race towards gender equality, towards diversity and acceptance of all. The race towards being the best you that you can be. Join us on February 27th in Montezuma Hall for SDSU's Women in Entrepreneurship and Leadership Forum. Meet top female leaders from top companies like Adobe, Disney, PepsiCo, Pura Vida, the San Diego Padres, and so many more. Go for the gold with Allyson Felix, activist, proud mother, and the most decorated Olympian in track and field history. Learn to leap over the hurdles of the business world in one of our Lunch and Learn workshops. Stick around for the networking reception for your chance to win Coachella tickets. Don't hesitate. Join us February 27th. After all, the race has already begun.